Hello folks, and welcome to my discussion on current liabilities. Today my topic in this area is going to be non-interest bearing notes. Thanks for joining me, and let's get started. My goal is to learn to do the accounting for non-interest bearing short-term notes. So what we're talking about is note this. Get it? Note. There is no such thing as interest-free money. Unless your parents give it to you, and then maybe that's interest-free. But in the world of business, there is no such thing as money being lent to you for free. It is, however, a great marketing technique. We'll sell you this interest-free. What do? They jack up the price. So let's get that out of the way. There's no such thing as free money. So let's learn how to do the accounting around this concept. Let me give you some facts for the example that I intend to use. You approach your bank and tell them you'd like to borrow $10,000 for 1 year. Your bank says, hey, no problem, we'll do that. Interest free. Yeah. Let's see how that works out. And let's further assume that you know that you could go out and borrow money on a similar situation and probably be charged 10%. When you go to get your money from the bank, you're going to have a surprise. And that surprise is you're not going to get $100,000. It's at 91.67. Sorry, I didn't put you on pause there. So that's our discount account. And we're now at 90,833. And as we progress through this loan, the discount goes to 0. And finally, at the end of the 12 months later, the discount is gone. And it's at 0. And the balance sheet 12 months later would show notes payable 10,000, no discount, and its carrying value and face value are the same. Of course, we would pay this on 12/31. We wouldn't want this to stretch into the new year. And we would pay notes payable going to 0. We would pay the $100,000 of cash. And the bank would say, thank you very much. There's your interest-free loan. Yeah, I'll bet they did us a good deal. What's your effective rate on this? So this good deal interest-free loan, we ended up paying 10 grand of interest on, but we only got $90,000 for it. If you do the math, that jacks up the interest rate from 10% to 11%. So our good deal bank loan, interest-free for 1 year, actually ended up costing us a little bit more. I don't mind having interest-free loans in the world. I just don't believe in them. You always need to figure out what the real interest rate is. Do the accounting around it. Recognize interest as you go along, and then when you're through, in our case 12 months later, you can calculate your effective rate of interest. Thanks for joining me. Talk to you later. Bye now.